LIM Studio versus Jan 2025. Which iCoding tool is actually better? iCoding tools have exploded in popularity, but which one deserves your attention in 2025, LIM Studio or Jan? Today, we're breaking it down so you don't waste time or money on the wrong tool. Let's start with LIM Studio. LIM Studio has been praised for its speed and seamless integration with popular IDEs like Versus Code and JetBrains. Its AI is particularly strong at generating complete functions from comments, and it even suggests refactoring options. Most people get this wrong, but LIM Studio isn't just about writing code, it's about making your code cleaner and more maintainable. On the downside, it can be resource heavy, so if your machine isn't top of the line, you might experience slowdowns. Now let's talk about Jan. Jan focuses on collaborative coding, real-time AI suggestions, and project-level insights. Its standout feature is team integration. It tracks changes, suggests improvements, and even predicts potential bugs before they become critical. You won't believe what happens next. Jan can auto-generate tests for your code, which can save hours of manual work. However, its learning curve is steeper, and solo developers might find it overkill. When it comes to pricing, LIM Studio is slightly more expensive but offers a one-time lifetime option, whereas Jan is subscription-based, which can add up if your team grows. In terms of performance, LIM Studio is faster for single developers, while Jan shines in collaborative environments. So, which is better? If you code alone and want speed and simplicity, LIM Studio wins. But if your focus is team collaboration and long-term project management, Jan is a smarter choice. The surprising truth is that both tools can coexist. Using LIM Studio for rapid prototyping and Jan for team-based projects can give you the best of both worlds. Choosing the right tool ultimately comes down to how you work and what your priorities are.